Akala ko ba uuwi ka kaagad pagkatapos ng libing?
I went to Boracay. I needed the break.
Break from what? Wala ka na nga ginawa dito kundi mag-party. Pagdating mo dyan, party pa rin.
Ma, what's the problem? I don't even live with you anymore. So bakit hinihintay mo ako makauwi?
Well, nababasa ko lang naman yung mga posts tungkol sa daddy mo. Ari, pati pala yung anak niya kasabwat sa scam. Kasi yung mga tao galit. Paano kung madamay ka?
On my way na to the airport. Pauwi na. Besides, nobody here knows me. So chill, okay?
Ellen, have you seen my purple shirt? Ellen?
Coming.
Oh, hinahanap ka na nung asawa mo.
Is that Ari bothering you again? Hey, Ari, why don't you stay in the Philippines and stop calling us, okay?
Us? Kailan kita tinawagan? At paano ka nadamay?
What? What'd you say?
Tagal mo na nagkaasawa ng Pinay, hindi ka mo na nag-effort mag-aral ng Tagalog. Sama rin ang ugali mo eh.
Babe, what'd you say?
Hey George,
What?
nek-nek mo.
What? What's neck-neck?